Hello gardeners, I hope everyone is fine. Today I am going to sow some seeds. Most of the seeds here are brought from a local nursery. Due to the lockdown, I was falling short of some seeds, so I got it online. Now this is my first time online shopping of seeds. I am very skeptical about the germination rate as I have very high hopes. I got some seeds from Trust Basket as it was available at affordable rates, though not as affordable as local nurseries. Most of the seeds here are open pollinated, which means that if I save the seeds from the fruits of these plants and grow a new plant, then the fruits which the plant will bear will be true to the mother plant. So now let's start planting. You can see I have prepared the soil mix. It consists of 30% coco peat, 50% kitchen waste compost and 20% old mix of coco peat and compost which I have used to cover the topsoil. Now these are the bottle gourd and yellow capsicum plant which I had grown a week back, and some containers which I will be using to sow the seeds. Now these are some cauliflower seedlings which will be ready to be transplanted within few days. This is my experiment with hydroponics. Let's see how successful it is. And here it is, a ridgecourt plant ready to be transplanted. First I will be sowing these European cucumber seeds, also known as kakdi. I will be just sowing two seeds in one grow bag, and I'll be keeping only one plant in one grow bag. The seeds should not be planted very deep, otherwise there are chances that it will get rot. Just lightly cover it with soil. Next comes the cucumber seeds. Here also I will be sowing two seeds the same way I did before. Now water it lightly as it is already raining from few days, so I won't be overwatering it. Now these are some brinjal seeds which I got from a local nursery. Just sprinkle the seeds and cover it with a thin layer of coco peat. I had got these seeds for just rupees 10 from a local nursery, and believe me, it is a very nice, like it is very good. Now water it lightly. These are some cherry tomato seeds. Their germination rate is very nice as I had grown the same last year. Just sprinkle the seeds on the soil and lightly press it inside and make sure it is all covered up. The soil is already very wet, so I am not watering it. These are some tomato seed. Same as before, sprinkle the seeds and cover it with a thin layer of coco peat. Water it if it is not raining in your city. Next are some bottle gourd seeds. I will be sowing the seeds in this small bag and transplant it as it gets bigger. Sow the seeds at least 4 cm apart for healthy growth and make sure it is not sown very deep. Now lightly cover it with soil. Water it as usual and don't let the soil dry. These are some ridge gourd seeds. I make sure I have a new plant ready to replace the old plant. You can even soak the seeds overnight for faster germination. Now, I just want to show you my watermelon plant which I had grown from a store bought watermelon. These are some Mogra and Guldaudi cuttings which has started showing some new leaves. Now, before you go, please subscribe to the channel for more such videos.